Hello teacher, today I'm going to talk about my favorite sport and how I practice it. Okay, when I was 5 years old, I started playing soccer in my neighborhood. And I liked it as time went by. I realized that I could improve more, since my dominant foot is the left. At that time, I had as reference to Ronaldinho and Messi. My first favorite footballer was Cristiano Ronaldo. Although he is right-handed, it motivates me a lot to be like him in the future, but I lack a lot of discipline. Currently, my favorite soccer player is Gianluca Lapadula, and the bets now tricks that I do are called dribblings or dribblings, que en español significa gambetear o regatear. I can also do freestyle soccer with myself, keep free throws among others. I am very technical when it comes to playing. I don't usually stay still, always in constant movement to create space and support my teammates. I also tend to watch the gameplay of Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, and Christian Cueva. I love to continue creating good dribbling outs. That's all for today. Thanks for your attention.